Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing the exquisite 2023 Kia Sorento X-Line SX Prestige in Wolf Gray, a striking combination of style and elegance. This top-tier model is packed with cutting-edge features, including a panoramic sunroof, a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, wireless phone charging, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Advanced safety features like blind spot collision avoidance and smart cruise control ensure a secure and seamless driving experience. Indulge in the pinnacle of sophistication with the Sorento X-Line SX Prestige. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.